I'd say when you're shopping insurance, you're probably transactionally shopping. Like, so in other words, you're probably not shopping for insurance unless you need it. I mean, there's a very few people who might actually be looking ahead, right? Doing some comparison shopping and thinking about their upcoming renewal. But chances are, if they're online shopping for insurance, it's because something's happened. There's an event that's happened. Either they're purchasing a home, they're new mortgage,
Yep.
the renewal's up. Maybe they had a bad experience with another company. The list is long. But the point being is that there's actually a trigger that's happened. So to your point about content, having content that kind of speaks to those needs would seem like the right thing to do.
Well, and I think it goes back to the whole piece of inbound versus outbound or push, right? It's a brand or a demand creation versus a having to be there when you're, like you said, like if somebody's searching for you for something, which is always the place to start, get your marketing foundations and ensure that your ability to show up is to whatever that means to you, hyperlocal, some provincial level, however you're going to organize that strategy. You don't want to miss out on that. I mean, you want to have that together to the degree that you can capture that demand. But then I think it does shift a little bit to what's your push strategy going to be? And I don't think this is unique to insurance. In fact, in that one of our clients, they're voice over IP. And I don't know if there's anybody out here that doesn't have the ability to make a phone call in their business. They probably all do. And they're probably not necessarily shopping. And if they are shopping, they better show up on Google. But, it's moving into that. Why would you look at something else kind of conversation? Why should you take the moment to stop, especially in a B2B? This is when we're talking about B2C. I think it's sometimes easier almost in ways, although I know there's some challenges with insurance, but it's almost easier to make that argument. Whereas if you're a business, if I'm the manager of IT and I get an ad for some voice over IP system, it's like, okay, I could probably save the business 15% here, but like I've got a million things to do. And, I don't care about that right now.